I have a straight at my house that's 4 inches long. That'll probably get us from there to there. We ain't got that angle. Here, hold on, Joey.
You gotta figure what we
Let me cook. Take that 90 off of there.
What? I'm at 90.
That rubber one. Damn, John.
You know, we could probably, hey, we could gain more space. Look, what if we came around the coolant hose? See how we're tucked? Yeah, see how we're like stuck up on there now? What if we just popped over right here and had this in more? Would that change it at all? Not really, because I'm literally right above right now.
That's too high. We need to be like right there.
Where's that straight at? I had. Put that on the one end and then send it up to me.
DIY intercooler kit coming at you live. Literally.
All right, I'm on. So what if now?
Oh, we can make that work. I promise we can make that work.
You think?
Oh, I'll guarantee betcha. Take that back off of wherever it's on.
Wait.
It's
all right,
90.
Pull it off. Pull it off. You're good. Maybe I'll go back under that coolant then, because I'm on the fan.
Can you make that work right there?
Hold on, let me.
Wherever you need to be.
It just
And I got a longer 90 right here if you need it somewhere.
I fucking got this thing jammed up there so far. Back through to there, right?
I don't know how you had that.
Like that.
Well, if you get that connected, we're in there. I got a longer 90.
You're gonna have to connect this second.
It's disconnected up there though.
I know, that don't matter. That's just this fucking little bit.
Oh, okay. It's not
Shitty part is we gotta take it all apart anyways, because we have not one clamp on it all.
That's alright, as long as we get it where we need it. We can use that yellow paint marker to mark it.
Mark where we gotta go.
Yeah. Or you need to do it this 90, I thought. But we got a longer one here if you need a longer one on that bottom. If this will help you on the bottom, I need this to go on here. Yeah, leave that right there. Hold on, leave that right there. Let me get this on here. Alright. Now. I mean, that boot ain't happy, but it's doing it. That's all I gotta say.
Hell yeah.
DIY intercooler kit, John.
All we need is a straight we can make with that. Yep.
Excuse me.
Well, I guess you guys get a little sneak peek of what might go on next. Snug all the way against it.
I wish it would have been black instead of chrome. But yeah.
I did that because they want to do red for me. Yeah.